aking produkto, ang aking milk tea, marirefresh, mag-quench niya yung thirst lahat ng kliyente. Remember this, if you cannot identify your market, it means you do not have a market at all. It doesn't mean na nag-identify tayo ng specific market na targetin ng ating produkto is we would ignore the other possible markets or customers that would be loving our product. No. We're just trying to identify the market because dito pa lang malalaman natin sino ba yung dream buyer natin. Sino yung magiging suki natin sa milk tea. Knowing our dream buyer or our suki buyer would change everything. It changes everything from our product offering to our marketing strategies to our pricing, even yung mga channels of advertising that we will be using. Are we using social media, traditional? So lahat yan, naka-narrow down doon sa specific niche market natin. Kasi kung wala tayong specific market, if we weren't able to identify our market, lahat ng ating effort towards marketing, kalat din. Hindi natin natatarget yung specific market that is readily available in buying our product. Okay? So how do we do that? We first create an avatar. No?